What's the meaning of canalization? Canalization. Canalization.
Canalization. Canalization. Canalization refers to the ability of a system to produce robust and predictable outputs despite genetic or environmental variation. In other words, canalization allows an organism to maintain stable development and function in the face of changing conditions. For example, some traits like eye color are highly canalized, meaning they are less affected by environmental or genetic factors. This stability is achieved through buffering mechanisms that allow the system to compensate for perturbations. Overall, canalization helps ensure the survival and adaptability of organisms in changing environments.